Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog, and for today's video, I'll be showing you all my DIY earrings work. And this is how it look like. Ang dami ko nang naano guys, ang dami ko nang nagawa. So i-reveal ko na sa inyo. So this is the earrings matched to the necklace, but I'm running out of the hook for the necklace. And then I make J. Ayan na, J. And then I make Joe as well. J and O. Joe. Ayan. And then the new one, let me know if you want to order the big one, the size. And this is the rest of the earrings that I make. Different one. Ayan. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. At ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ito ginagawa.